Microsoft confirmed yesterday that it plans to move Windows 10 from an operating system dedicated to a special S mode for the Windows 10 versions. In a new blog post, Joe Belfiore of Microsoft admits that the original version of Windows 10, which blocked the PC to use only the Windows Store applications, it was confusing. We have also heard comments that the name was somewhat confusing for both clients and partners, admits Befliore. To avoid this confusion, Microsoft is now creating an S mode for each version of Windows 10. Starting with the next update of Windows 10, customers may soon choose to buy a new PC with Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro with S mode enabled, says Belfiore. It's not clear how simply moving this Windows Store lock to one mode will alleviate some of the confusion surrounding Windows 10, but maybe Microsoft will make the unlocking process even more obvious. Previous rumors also suggested that Microsoft planned to allow Windows 10 Home users to disable Mode S for free, but Windows 10 Pro Mode S clients enabled on their device will be forced to pay $49 to have access to a full version of Windows 10 Pro.